Hello, I'm going to talk about profits from 100 nannies. So with 100 nannies at the end of the year, you are expected to have at least 80 ready to sell goats. Now let's say you sell 50, you keep 40 nannies for growth in the next year. Use your average worst selling price in your area, get your income, then you take 40%, 60% will be a return on the expenses that you got to incur while raising them for the whole year. Year 2, you have 140. So from 140, by the end of the second year, you'll be having at least 100 goats to sell. What do? Take 50, keep 50 again for growth. So at the end of year 2, when you get to year 3, you'll be having 140 plus 50, that is 190 nannies for production. Remember, from year 2, you'll now be taking 60% and returning 40% to the business. Guys, isn't that a good venture? Think about it.